Kasi yung coins, I have hundreds eh, pero I don't have coins anymore eh. Ayan, sakto. So I give you 700, right? Thank you so much. Ito na lang, bigay ko sa kanila to. Hindi ko pa mahanap yung plastic kasi kaya baka magtaka kayo. Peach, strawberry, tsaka chia. Okay? Dinouble check ko lang. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Next mo.
How much is this one?
150 for a pair. If ito sir, 450, 6 pieces na siya. Mabenta sa amin ganito kasi at least
Same lang po.
different, same texture or dough, but different taste. Kasi different flavors sila.
Ito lang po. So,
One only ma. 150 only. Thank you so much. Have you seen it sa TikTok na to, ma'am? Or Instagram? I do the daily post. I don't know if you recognize my voice. Pero normally, I do this yung POV lang eh. Would you like to say hi? Hindi. Hindi na. Thank you so much.
kaway-kaway na lang. Uploads.